And as you can see, too many cars are parked here. It is pretty difficult to find parking, but if you would go in the other direction, you will find parking, definitely. But the way is pretty built. It's like with stairs and a small little way. I wish to have apps, but I don't have any apps. As you can see, that's a shame. And up there is a coffee shop, like a bar, snack bar, where you can buy cocktails, you can order burgers, sandwiches, and a lot more. And as you can hear everywhere, music is being played, especially there up, and the bass is really good. Yeah. One thing I've noticed is that this whole beach is not occupied by the businesses here. So as you can see in the background, if you are coming, you can lay down pretty much with your towel. You can bring your own umbrella and towel, and you can just put it here and have fun. And if you are willing to order something, they will get you that. I like the weather today. It's not hot. When I was passing by Ajos Nikolaos, on the way it was a bit hot, but in this area I don't know, maybe it's because this bay is kind of laid and the air is touching the water and hitting me. That's why maybe it is kind of very moderated weather, or maybe I'm not wearing clothes, that's why. But anyways, the weather is like mwah. I'm gonna sit in water. Oops, oops. These stones are pretty hard to walk on. Well, I'm gonna put my sandals and I'm gonna walk from there. Not a good idea. Okay, so if you would swim this way, or if you would be a bit further from these stones, you can walk it. But if you would try to walk in this area, it is like slippery. So you can walk from here. Nobody wants to walk on such a sand with sandals or shoes or anything. Just take it off and walk and feel the energy. And if you are willing to come to this part of the beach, this is the way, the stairs, so it also can bring you to the beach. And the music is just keep banging and banging and banging and pushing the adrenaline through the roof. So they're playing different songs and the quality is really good, and the person who is the DJ, or I don't know, the person who is responsible to play the music is like a real artist. Okay, so I can see some people swimming over there, and it doesn't seem to me like deep. So yeah, this is pretty much the Voulisma beach, and at the very beginning of the beach, in the left side of the beach, there are 3 mini beaches where also you can go and you can have a good time. So well, I'm gonna finish the video in here, then I will show you those 3 small mini beaches. You may like them as well. Do you remember that I went that way and I went down to the beach? So, but also if you come with your car, if you can't find parking in this area, so this is also another option. Look at this area, very private, very closed, very few people. So if you want to have some privacy and be a little bit away from the music and also enjoy the sea, the water is damn good. That part is a little bit fun part, and this part is for people like me who wants to calm down, relax, and maybe drink a tea and just think about theoretical things and philosophical things, stuff like that. So you will have pretty much enough time here to think about philosophy. And one of the reasons why there were too many philosophers in Greece, I'm not claiming this, but what I have heard from few people, I think from 2 people, which is not few people, 2 people, that they say the balanced line of the sea and the ups and downs of the land kind of subconsciously makes you think differently. So Greek philosophers, well, that is their explanation for how Greek philosophy was so much grown, because of, like, if you would look at the sea, there is a straight line and there is ups and downs. So this kind of it was like inspiration, or it was a trigger for the brain to think differently like that. But I don't know why people are not thinking like that anymore. But it is not just in Greece, it's everywhere. I don't know. If you have any thoughts, please let me know. So this is the other part of the Voulisma beach. Very family friendly, like absolutely family friendly this part is. We have 2 showers here, and we have the whole beach here, and even there I can see some people. And we have 1, 2, 3 many beaches in this area, so people are already there, and they took already places. But I can see there is enough place for you as well. If you are coming, if you come a little bit early, you can bring your sunbed and you can take your place for free, and you can be part of this Voulisma beach and enjoy life. And that part is like with music and with jet ski, and as you can see, they are doing this banana boat and stuff like that, different activities. So that is a little bit fun part of the beach. And also, if you are snorkeling, if you are doing that thing, this water is perfect for that. It's very clean, not windy at all, so it's a perfect choice for that as well. So this was it for Voulisma beach and Istro. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did enjoy, please hit the like button, and also don't forget to subscribe. If you have any thoughts, any recommendations, please let me know in the comment section. And thanks for those of you who share so much kindness and love with me in the comments. I really appreciate that, and it inspires me. It brings a smile into my face, and it warms my heart. I'm really grateful for those comments and for those beautiful words. And other than that, until the next time, peace.